regarding cameras here in Moscow. Volodya, show us the camera. Let's see how the button is pressed and... Nice. Export enthusiast? Amateur. This is interesting too. I should show it. Okay, let's see. Click. Here it is. Look, this is how we look at it. Let's show it inside. Hold on, we're filming right now. Yes, we're doing a hidden recording. Get permission. Amateur, how much is that? 85 rubles. Also, besides that, a bunch of figurines, plates, cobalt, corn crate, 12 rubles each. Wow. Early in the carriage for a set, 50 rubles. Yes, a jug and also glasses, and shot glasses. Shot glasses.